Has started. My people, you'll be shocked and very surprised as Obaseki is exposed on money laundering going on. Now, Philip Shaibu told us, in one of his statements that initially they will come and they will first tenor is to find themselves, and after that is to consolidate by stealing. He said that is what they are doing. And right now, reports reaching us is that our very own brother, Governor Godwin Obaseki, report is that Governor Godwin Obaseki is now consolidating on his administration, and that they are currently having what we call money laundering. This is the matter reaching us at the moment. Anyway, my lovely, wonderful people, it is becoming very, very expedient that every single person understand exactly what is going on, and you will be shocked. Yes, you will be shocked, with all the, everything going on in Nigeria. Your heart will really almost miss a beat. You'll be wondering. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like or share, subscribe. The person you feel saying are sent, my brother, my sister, some of them not be sent, oh, there was pass who you do ever they think, oh, this country, hey, we need good leaders. That's why when we see one, we hold on to them, but they not made them win. And even when they win, they manipulate, they twist the hand, collect, results from them. God help us. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like or share, subscribe. Obaseki exposed, now carrying out money laundering in preparation for leaving office. Experience has a tendency to hold their victims captive and even render undue hardship to others and transferred aggression. When people behave in a very uncivil manner to their benefactors, the rebound effect rubs off on others in the most regretful way, allowing resonance of old pattern to repeat itself. What Governor Godwin Obaseki did to Senator Adams Oshiomhole has toughened and beaten hard back at him. Don't think Oshiomhole was a saint. Obaseki was not a saint either. Philip Shaibu wanted the position so badly, and he looked at the odds. Who do I stay with? Oshiomhole is going out of power. Obaseki is the one. I am next to him, second in command in Edo State. And so he tallied and tagged along with Obaseki. Now the cane is waiting by the door. It is time for Obaseki to unleash the same that happened between himself and Oshiomhole on Philip Shaibu, who wants to be governor. You see, the circle keep repeating itself over and over again. All of them, none of them is a saint. So don't get it twisted and get all emotional supporting either Oshiomhole, Obaseki, or Philip Shaibu. Which of them truly, really, sincerely love the people? Ask yourself the questions. How many Nigerian leaders have come out to say, I have not stolen a single penny and check me out. If you find anything incriminating, I will step down. Only one so far have been able to say that, and that is the presidential candidate of the Labour Party. Leaving that aside, Oshiomhole tried hard to get rid of Obaseki. Governor Godwin Obaseki and his deputy fought back. They continued to see various forms of bad behavior tapped in, and today it is becoming a pattern. There is no act to say my construction in the face and so on and so on. Bad readings all over the place. But the behavior of a man is a direct reflection of who he really is on the inside. The chronicles of the Edo leaders who keep backstabbing one another. And by the way, don't get all emotional supporting any one of them. Obaseki and Oshiomhole met in a recent reception, and they were best of friends, dancing together, laughing, and even taking photos. So if you go ahead fighting undue battles without having the genesis, you will be at the losing end, biting your fingers. What Edos should greatly want and look for now is good leaders who have their interests and who will stand with and for them and bring to Edo State the necessary development that is needed. If we have one good leader in any of the states, it will reflect, it will show, and Nigerians will be able to see the difference. Never you get twisted. These people are all birds of a feather. My dear, if that article has not told you that neither Obaseki nor Philip Shuaibu or Oshomole are saints, I wonder where you put your mind and your sense. Because politicians, at the end of the day, are politicians. They are fighting and looking out at how they can, survive. That's all they are looking out for. You in the picture, whoa, you are thinking very highly of yourself. Since they came in, how many of them have done something tangible that you as a citizen can go out there and say, this is what this guy did. I have seen it, I have tasted of it, and I can tell that road is this good now. We can move freely because of A, B, C, D, Z. How many of us can truly come out and tell everybody that this person, this state governor, this person has done excellently well? We all cannot but say, well done. I would like you to please tell me that person. Way back in the 90s, we had one governor. Yes, we had one governor, and that was the governor of I think Cross River State. It's not like he overturned things or he did things supernaturally or something. No. But what did he do? This governor, they call him Donald Duke. He made sure that the state was so clean. He faced terrorism. Am I saying he's a saint? No, I'm just talking about his achievement. Meanwhile, Lucky Benedio was the governor of Edo State at that point in time. What's his name? James Onanefe Ibori was the governor of Delta State at that time. These governors were from the South, receiving heavily. I think Peter Odili was the governor of River State at that time. What did each and every one of them do for their state that you can go back in memory lane? Apart from Donald Duke I'm talking about. I did not say he alleviated poverty, but he did something remarkable. Remember Abudukato Ranch? He did something remarkable. Tourism resurrected in Calabar, in that state. So much so that, as we speak, it's still a source of income for the state. People go there because of what that man did in the early 2000s. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Whether Obaseki or Philip Shuaibu, all of them, Obaseki or Shomon, all of them are the same thing. Leave us a comment. God bless. Bye for now.